Welcome to the video surprise of the day, the Lexus RX 15,000 mile update and problems. Hey folks, welcome back. Today I want to do a quick video on the 15,000 miles and what kind of problems I encounter on my Lexus RX 350L all-wheel drive. First of all, nothing is wrong mechanically with the vehicle, and yes, we also did the oil at 5,000 miles and or 6 months, so pretty much every 6 months or so. So I'd rather spend a little bit more on oil than having mechanical problems. Yes, we take it to the dealer right now. This is under warranty and they do a great job overall just changing the oil, so no mouse or anything like that in our vehicle, which is a great thing. Also, we put the paint protection film on the headlamps over here to prevent it from yellowing or oxidizing. Quick walkthrough on the vehicle in particular. You can see the tires still looks great. The rim looks great too. And we did have a little curb rash on the rear wheel on the back, the other side, but we got somebody to take care of that. Interior just as beautiful. I need to do a little more wipe down, I guess, but it's already still in very good shape. So this is at 15,000 miles, a little bit over, but it's 15,000 mile update. So, and all the switches and the controls still work fine. You see this vehicle still has a lot of chrome, and this is great. The newer model is going to be a little bit different if you're looking for the 2023 model. And interior wise, yeah, everything works and functions great, right? The leather seats still very nice and comfortable, a lot of cushion and such. You can see the perforations. All right, and over here, I mentioned a little bit of navigation. I do want to point it out. The maps are not that great. In terms, it doesn't show, the exit points on the freeway. It just shows a number. That's a bummer for the GPS part of it for our model year. And we did do the update. So I had that video. I'll link it at the end if you're interested. And mostly we have the third row down. You can see over here we use that as extra storage. Otherwise the storage area would be really small, and usually we don't really have that many passengers, so I do want to note that. So this one doesn't have a lot of options overall, but it is a used 2019. We didn't buy brand new, but that time we only had under 9,000 miles, so we put quite a few thousand miles in this to get it to 15,000 miles. Mostly city driving, some freeway driving as well, and there's no damage or imperfections right now. I really like the lines, and this one over here actually overlaps, which is unique. Let's take a look at the other side. The color called silver lining. I mean, there's another color called iridium that's a little bit different, so it still looks silverish too. Yes, we had the seat over here repair recently. There was a little nick because probably we were we brought home some kind of item and nicked it by accident. So you can see that. And the leather repair folks that we know actually fixed the issue and it looks brand new. That's why over here, by the way. That's why I'm wiping over here. And it looks just as this. It's not like any camera tricks or any gloss, or it's not gloss. It looks exactly like this. You can't even see the difference and the damage anymore. And also this seat, you might pick it up as a little different in terms of the color, because we had that piece replaced. That was when we purchased the vehicle. There was some damage over there. Here is just dirty overall. There's no damage over here. So you can see that little discoloration, I guess, a little darker and lighter. You could catch on a camera, but in real life, it's very minimal. You won't be able to catch it. So those are the things on the seats I'm going to mention for my vehicle over here. And all used vehicles may have something, right? So that was the thing with this vehicle. And also the little thing on the headliner on the outside, the roof line. And mechanically, yeah, the vehicle is great. Functionally, this is great. A few problems. The AC amplifier, we got that replaced by the dealer under warranty, so we're having problems with the AC a little bit. But that was all under warranty, all taken care of, and you know, so the vehicle drives great. For this particular vehicle, it's not the F Sport one. Also, you could see that there's nice body lines and such. And you look carefully, the tail lamps have a L. You can see the L. And the big thing, the big problem I want to mention is actually the struts that live on the lift gate. You can see that it looks beautiful right now, but before we had an issue where the door wouldn't come down and close, especially when you push the button or use the remote. And it's quite expensive. It's like $900 just for these struts each, and $200 for the labor. That's why I was told. Of course, that might even before any discounts, but I'm covered under warranty, so they took care of that, and that's wonderful, right? Another look at the seats over here, and we mostly use it as a 5-seater, and not really all the seats are down like a 3-row 7-seater or anything in that particular. So that's the update for our Lexus RX 350. Please post a comment below if you have something to share. I really appreciate a thumbs up. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.